Hey everyone! Are you ready to unlock your full potential and dive deep into the realms of science and spirituality? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Join us for the Mind Nexus live event happening from September 27th through the 29th. This transformative 3-day experience brings together world-renowned experts to explore the fascinating intersection of science and spirituality. Can't make it to Tucson in person? No worries. You can still be part of this life-changing event from the comfort of your own home. We're offering exclusive Livestream tickets. Normally, Livestream tickets are priced at $199, but for a limited time, we're offering them to you for only $99 for all 3 days. Yes, you heard that right. For only $99, you get access to all the sessions and keynote speeches, all streamed live directly to you. Immerse yourself in profound insights, practical strategies, and transformative experiences, all from the comfort of your home. You'll get to hear from top experts on topics that you won't want to miss. Learn about humanity's next step, climbing the ladder to consciousness. What's your next step in spiritual evolution? Explore healing naturally, the future of medicine. Are you prepared to embrace natural healing methods? Reveal hidden influences. Who's really in control? Do you know who is pulling the strings behind the scenes? Journey on the path to higher consciousness. Meeting your needs. How can you meet your deepest needs and elevate your consciousness? Uncover the secrets of mind manipulation. Are you highly suggestible? Are you aware of how easily your mind can be influenced? Understand the timelines in flux, the impact of CERN on our perception of reality. How does CERN affect our reality? Unlock divine potential, prayer. Are you ready to discover your divine potential? Power of prayer. Discuss extraterrestrial connections, humanity's cosmic origins. What are the true origins of humanity and our connection to the cosmos? Transform fear with spiritual alchemy. Transmuting fear in celestial harmony. How can you turn fear into harmony through spiritual alchemy? Whether you're a seeker of knowledge, a spiritual explorer, or someone looking to enhance your life, this event offers something for everyone. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Head over to mindnexuslive.com right now to get your live stream tickets for just $99. This offer won't last long, so act fast. Join us for Mind Nexus Live and embark on a journey of discovery and enlightenment. Remember, go to mindnexuslive.com and secure your ticket today. Let's make this event unforgettable together.